Hey guys, it's me. My name is Char and I am back with CharCreatez. Today I am doing a haul and this is a voiceover if you couldn't tell. And y'all, I honestly almost forgot that I filmed this video. So let me go ahead and share all of the goodies that I got so that you can see if, of course, this is something that you want to purchase. So this first kit that I have is going to be the September monthly kit. And oh, by the way, this is from GoldPaperPrints, my favorite shop ever right now. But this is the September kit, and right here I am peeling the sticker up because one kit I had that little white strip under there, and another kit that I had was actually separate from the month, so I was just checking to see that. And so here you have your you have some due date stickers, and then you have some checklist. And then here is the add-on for this kit where you can add in birthdays, monthly payments, things of that nature. This next kit is going to be the October monthly, which I absolutely love. This is a perfect color. This is the month of my mom's birthday, so I absolutely love it. It's just going to be perfect. It has the days of the month and then goals, and then of course your checklist again, and due date stickers as far as a big washi. I'm not sure if those are big washi or some separated boxes, but I have add-ons for that one also. And then I did get a kit for November. This is beautiful fall vibes, which I absolutely love. These colors are so vibrant. That orange is the bomb with that blue. And then it looks like it has some acorns on there as well. And then, of course, your days of the week again, some check boxes. And then I believe those are separated squares. And then your due date boxes. And last but not, and the add-on. And then last but not least, I did get one for December as well. And it's going to be right here. And I believe... yes, it has the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer coffee. Beautiful Christmas colors, some red hearts. You have your candles. And in my opinion, that could be used as just a regular holiday kit or a Christmas specific kit if you want it. It has the star boxes and your checklist. So when I made this order, I decided that I was going to get monthly kits for the rest of the year. Here I have some pizza stickers because my husband loves pizza, so whenever we have that, I want to document it. And he also makes a mean sausage egg McMuffin. And of course we both play the video game. Well, he plays more, but I do play Call of Duty. I got those specifically for me, actually, to mark whenever I play the game. And here I got some glitter quarter boxes, and I got 4 pages of those. One is in the colorful glitter, and then this one here is the neutral, not neutral, what is it, nude. Sorry, the one previous to that was nude, and this is neutral, and then this is your rainbow. And this is the glitter quarter boxes. And then next we're going to have some more quarter boxes, but these are just going to be the solid colors. And this is going to be your colorful. And this one's going to be your nude. And then the next one here is going to be your neutral. And last but not least, you're going to have your rainbow. And these are going to be used for anything I might need them for you know, appointments, special notes, whatever I might want to add. Here is this amazing kit. It is called Sugar Sweet. Again, all of this is by GoldPaperPrints. So if you are interested, go to GoldPaperPrints.com and you'll be able to see this. In my description box, I'll have a code that you can get 25% off. And I'll also keep you in the loop if you want to see. Go to my Instagram, CharCreatez, and I'll keep you in the loop when she has amazing sales also. So here you're going to have some quarter boxes, half boxes, and checklist. And then this one's going to be your bottom wash sheet and the amazing glitter headers. I am in love with glitter headers. And that's it for that kit. And on these, I believe I got the mini kits, which I absolutely regret because I just got to a point where I want to use the big checklist or the full box checklist, and these kits don't have that. So from now on, when I order from her, I will be getting the full box check or the full kit, period. So she used to have half boxes that were rounded, but I actually like the crisp corners better. So I appreciate that she made that change. And then here's your full boxes and glitter headers. And this next kit is called Hello Fall, and this has the same vibrant orange and blue colors that the November kit had. The November monthly kit that I showed you at the beginning. And this is going to be your full boxes. This is going to be your headers, weekend banner. You have a weekly checklist, and then some script. And then your next page again is going to be your half boxes, quarter boxes. You have some little icons, habit tracker, bill due, and checklists. And then your next one is going to be your bottom wash sheet and your glitter headers. All right, and that concludes my haul. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If I didn't explain something that you want to know more about, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer that question. This, again, I know I said it already twice, but this is from GoldPaperPrints. You can go to GoldPaperPrints.com and see everything that she has to offer. Or you can just ask me, and I can give you, the best answers that I possibly can. But this is it, you guys. I really do appreciate you for taking time to watch my videos. I appreciate you for sending people my way to watch my videos. I appreciate you for subscribing. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be blessed. Bye.